What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a super quick look at Vechain here, we can still see it's done relatively little over the past few days. Obviously we kind of look as though we may be coiling into some kind of apex like this. Remains to be seen what's going to be happening with that, but overall obviously we look at the macro trend of what Vechain has been doing. Clear massive uptrend that we've been talking about for a long time, with this parabolic run from around 3 cents all the way up to around 28 cents, essentially an 8 or a 9x there in terms of price, which is obviously incredible. And then you can see here we've been coiling for a long time. Big correction back to this previous swing high, where we do get the nice bounce. We come down again, obviously through September, all that nonsense, the bearishness, the ABC correction, the overextension, the bullish divergence here. We've come back up into our Fibonacci range. Ranging. We break through, we come up to our next Fibonacci level at the 618. We backtest the 050, ranging again inside these two levels. And then as you can see, we've moved up again to our next level, which is around 18.7 cents there, which is actually a previous swing low support, somewhere in this area here, which was, you can see here, support, flipped into resistance, massive rollover. And you can see, obviously, we've come back up to there and we've found it as resistance. And we've had a little bit of a rollover before we test it again. And, we've rolled over here, forming a little bit of a, potentially a descending triangle kind of thing like this, where we could see ourselves drop out the bottom of it and potentially come down, retest some of these levels down here before the bounce. But overall, Vechain not really doing that much over the past few days. We can see here on our hourly time frame that we do somewhat have this resistance like this, support's looking something like this, and if we do coil into the apex of this, you're probably going to be seeing potentially a rollover at least down to the 618 here at 14.7 cents, maybe falling down lower towards some of these swing highs or swing lows down here, maybe around to that 13 to 14 cent range. If we do see ourselves fall out the bottom of this pattern, technically, it looks as though it is somewhat of a descending triangle there, and obviously that does have a technical target, most likely breaking to the downside. Obviously that's not guaranteed, but considering the weakness that we're kind of seeing for Bitcoin over the past few days, you could expect to see maybe a bit of a rollover and a retest of some of this, at least this area here, before we do get a full bounce to the upside. You can see we haven't actually fully retested the 618 yet ever since we broke it. Come down here, didn't test it, didn't test it. So most likely what's going to happen is we're going to probably fall out the bottom of this, retest the 618, we'd say at that 14.7 cent level, maybe come down a little lower, get that, sweep the lows basically at the 618, as we often do before getting a bounce. And then we could be looking at some upside, but overall Vechain trading very technically, looking good in our opinion, probably most likely going to be seeing a nice little bit of upside for it fairly soon, we would say, when we look at the chart. So you can quite clearly see we're breaking out of that pennant there, and we could even see a back test of this all the way down at around that 11 or 12 cent level at the 050 before the bounce. But we'll keep things short and sweet. Price predictions: if we roll over, we expect the 618 to be fully tested here, maybe even coming lower and sweeping the 618 fully before getting a bounce. And obviously if we move to the upside, we are looking for that 078 level at around 19.5 cents there, up to around 20 cents and beyond. So once we get past that, it's the all-time high. And as we've always said, we really do think Vechain 50 cents to $1 is quite likely in our opinion, with the parabola that we see at the end of the bull run with the altcoins. And this is a top quality project. Everyone seems to forget this is getting a lot of real world use case, and in the long term, it's probably going to do extremely well. So that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.